Looking for the best real Debrid alternative? Whether you're trying to find a reliable multi-hosting service or just want a fresh option for streaming and downloading premium links, there are several solid contenders out there. Let's start with Debrid. This service is known for supporting a wide range of hosters and providing fast, unrestricted downloads. Debrid offers an easy-to-use interface and works smoothly with popular streaming apps and devices. What makes it appealing is its competitive pricing and consistent uptime, making it a popular choice for users who want reliability without breaking the bank. It also supports torrent streaming and can convert magnet links into direct downloads, which adds extra flexibility. Next up is Debrid. As the name suggests, it's designed to be simple and effective. Debrid supports many of the same hosts as real Debrid and includes features like streaming and downloading at high speeds with minimal buffering. One advantage of Debrid is its availability in multiple languages and the ability to use it with different devices. The service also offers browser extensions to make link management easier, which is a nice touch if you frequently handle lots of download links. LinkSnappy is another strong alternative to consider. It stands out with its extensive host support, including many premium file hosting sites, and offers multi-connection downloads for faster speeds. What's cool about LinkSnappy is that it bundles various premium accounts into one service, so you don't have to subscribe to multiple hosts individually. This can save money and reduce the hassle of managing different passwords or subscriptions. Plus, it has a useful feature for cloud storage, allowing you to store and manage your downloads online. Torbox is slightly different compared to the others, mainly focusing on torrent streaming with added privacy. While it may not have as many hosters as Debrid or LinkSnappy, Torbox provides a secure way to stream torrents directly without downloading them first. If you're concerned about anonymity or want to avoid downloading large files, Torbox's streaming approach is worth checking out. In terms of pricing, most of these services offer monthly subscriptions similar to real Debrid, often with trial periods, so you can test them out before committing. Depending on what features you prioritize, whether it's broad host support, speed, torrent streaming, or user interface, you'll find each alternative brings something different to the table. To wrap up, if real Debrid isn't working out, or you just want to explore other options, Debrid, Debrid, LinkSnappy, and Torbox each provide great alternatives.